gonna do a market recap. We're gonna go over the trades that I'm gonna be looking at today. So today we do have some high impact news. So check this out, guys. We are gonna have high impact this morning. Let me just go into Forex Factory. Believe we have high impact at 2 p.m. right? So we obviously gonna have FOMC. So around that time, most likely you guys don't want to be trading, right? So it's gonna be very risky today. Usually on Wednesday I try to keep it very chill because Wednesday has never been my best days. But I'm gonna show you guys the setups that I'm currently looking at for US30 and gold. So obviously you guys know how US30 has been playing out with the past two breakdown. We got the retest of the weekly structures over here, which was resistance, and then obviously we did manage to maintain above it as support, right? Yesterday the buy played out very nice, and now obviously all I'm waiting for is now the continuation of the movement, right? So we got the daily higher low. So check this out. We got this low, high, higher low, high, right? Now since obviously we are creating higher highs and higher lows, what am I gonna wait for in the 4-hour structure, 1-hour structure? Literally just the next higher low. So since we formed this low point over here, high, low, higher highs, all I'm waiting for is the next higher lows. Roughly like around the 39,030, 3900 is the areas that I will be interested in taking those long position, right? So as long as price give us a pullback around these zones over here, we do see that price starts remaining self above it. Cool. We're gonna be looking for buy position back into the 39,230, which is gonna be the all-time highs. Now 39,230 is a level to keep an eye on as well, right? So obviously it's an area of resistance. It's a very strong area of resistance so far, which is also the all-time high. So we came into one time here, notice how it dropped. We came on twice over here, and both of them end up dropping, right? So if the third time price does comes over here, we start seeing the same exact rejection like the past couple times that it has come into the zones, then I will be looking for obviously taking the sell position, right? Now if none of these setups starts playing out before 2:30, which is the new session, around like 2 o'clock, then obviously just don't be looking for it, because obviously you guys don't want to get caught with those new sessions, because then price can literally either do this, take you guys out, or price can just do this and the same thing, take you guys out. So just be very patient. Hopefully we get these moved before obviously 2. We're gonna go into gold. So gold, we're still in this long position from yesterday, and then we're at this zone of support, right? So it's a very nice area of support here, support there, and there, and currently we are retesting it the same exact way. So easy plan today with gold. As long as price remains itself above the 2154, you guys are good to enter some buy position, right? So most likely how I will wait for my entry at this point, I'll probably wait for the 30 minutes, this like 30-minute support here to break above it, so you guys can get a little bit more confirmation. So something like this, as long as it maintains above the 2154, which is, or 2153, my bad. So 2153 area support. If we do reject it, cool. Just simply wait for this break, retest, remains above it. You guys are good to enter those buy position, right? So again, remain above here, break and retest above here. You guys are good. So this level is gonna be like around 2155, roughly around that zone. And then obviously my target for today will be back into these highs, which will be 2162. 2162, keep your eyes on it just in case. It's a very nice area of resistance, right? So same story, if price does come into this zone of resistance, remains under it, gives you guys those rejection, this will be a good area to start looking for sell, as long as price can remain itself up under it. Now if the bullish volume continues to obviously hold, we just simply wait for the break and retest above 2162. Then the next target will be 2170. Same story, yesterday I told you guys about 2170 to keep an eye on as well for potential sells if price does remain itself under it, right? So 2170 potential sell, 2162 potential sell, as long as price remain under it. If we break above 2162, then this will be the next target, obviously with the buys, right? And then here I will give you guys the next breakdown whenever price actually gets there. Now let's say that we start breaking under these supports over here, right? So obviously you guys know that the trend so far with gold, we've been bearish, right? So let's say the price does manage to break under these zones over here. All I'm gonna wait for is simply the break and retest set up under these zones over here. As long as price remains itself under it, you guys are good to continue selling the market, right? So that's pretty much it, guys, for this breakdown. Try to keep it very patient today, because again, we do have news. If you guys do not get any entry before 2 o'clock, literally just don't be trading today, because obviously you guys don't want to get caught with those moves. So it's gonna be all, guys. See you guys in the next one.